Well, this might be my weirdest review yet. I'm actually in the dark here because I wanted to show you the Vollebak solar charged jacket, which is a rather unique piece of kit. I'll just come in a little bit closer. You can see it's got the classic kind of Vollebak kind of stuff on it. So there's some things to look forward. They've got the rubberized zip down the front here, which keeps it waterproof, and you can see the taped seams. Also, if I put my hand up behind, you can actually see my hand kind of through it. So although it's kind of grey silvery, it's also kind of slightly see-through, which makes it kind of cool in a kind of Blade Runner kind of way. Underneath the armpits there are some of the special holes, the sort of laser cut holes with rubberized reinforced bits so that your armpits are a bit more breathable. And the jacket's cut in such a way that the arms are already bent, so it makes it much more comfortable when you're running or you're out doing stuff with it. Then there's a hood, which I'm not even going to bother showing you, which just goes up around your head and moves in quite a nice way around your head. But the party piece for this is that if you get a torch on it, or if you get a any kind of natural light, it builds up natural light and glows in the dark. So if I turn my head torch off, you can see I've already written the word glow on it, but it's got a kind of glow to it. So if I just show you with the head torch, if I bring the torch in and just draw on it, you can see it picks up the light incredibly easily and glows from any source. So if you leave this out on your backpack all day picking up sunlight, it'll just naturally pick up the light from the sun. If I turn that off, you can just see how much it can glow. So it naturally picks up light really, really quickly. In fact, if I just put that away, so you can just see, you can get an idea very quickly for how much this really, really does glow. So I find that artificial light, like the torch I'm using, tends to hold its charge and keeps the jacket glowing for about 20-30 minutes, kind of bright green like this. But actually, natural light does a better job. So if you leave it outside in the sunlight, it doesn't quite glow quite as strong or as green, but what it does do is the glow tends to last for longer. So when I've been out on the Appalachian Trail with this, I've had it out in my backpack all day, and it's glowed rather nicely in camp at night, and I actually rolled it up as a ball and read a book with it. So there you go. Very unusual piece of clothing, a very, very cool piece of clothing. Let me turn the light off for you and finish. And that's the solar charged jacket by Vollebak.